Hello everyone, today is 7th of July. So in this video I am going to implement the vault service for the Razorpay clone project and also do the bank simulation part over here. Okay, so starting with the vault service, we will move towards it. Okay, so over here I have the vault service. We will follow the top to down approach. First we will see the controller. In the controller we have a tokenize. So why we have a tokenize over here? As you know that during the card payment we actually cannot pass the card info, means the CVV. We cannot pass such details, so we need to encrypt it. So what we are doing, we are actually doing the tokenize request, which will provide us a token. So for it we went to the vault service. Okay, see vault service have the tokenize method. We went over here. When we came over here, we actually took from the request which we were providing, we took we extracted the last four digits, the first six or eight digits, whatever there are there in the bean, means first digits. Then they took the card brand. Then what we have done with the we are taking generating a random value with the help of key generators and secure random, which will be bytes. Okay, now these bytes will be helpful, so we are adding two level protection. Okay, for the deck as well as the pan as well, we are generating the deck value. Okay, we have generated the deck value. Then what we are doing, with the help of deck value we are encrypting the pan. Okay, so for which we need to first see the configuration over here, vault encryption. So as I told that we have two level protection, that while we will store the encrypted deck and encrypted pan. Okay, so what I have done, to for the pan encryptor, as we are passing the deck over here, we have passed the deck and secret key specifications. With the help of, we are using the AES algorithm, and with the AES algorithm we are actually encrypting it. Okay, so as you are able to see, we have passed the deck, and the deck key is now being encrypted and then returned. So it's all done with the help of bytes controller. And as this will be called again and again, so we have kept it static. Also, uh, for the different key input. Okay, so if hacker gets holds to our key, then what we can do? So for that case, what we are doing, it will actually run again and again. Okay, so the output which it will give us, it will be the same for the comparison purpose. Okay, so this is the pan encrypted, this is the deck encrypted. As we only need the deck encrypted to run one time, we have used the @bean. Okay, so what it will do, first we will go over here. So we have now encrypted the pan. Okay, with the pan encrypted, we pass the deck and it has the encrypt method. The encrypt method, now we are actually passing the pan details. So from it, request.pan.get bytes, it's passing it over here. Then the next thing is to encrypt the deck. So with the help of this method only, we are actually means encrypting the deck, for which we have used a secret key. Okay, the secret key is added in the application.yml. The secret key is over here, vault master key. Okay, and this we have added over here. Okay, with the help of @value annotation. Then we took that master key, which we created it, we created a byte array of it. Then with the help of byte array, we created we encrypted it the same way as we have done for the above for the pan encryptor. Okay, so now what we have done, we encrypted the we passed the deck. Okay, so for that deck we have done the encryption, and we now have the encryption deck. So as I told, we are going to store the encrypted deck and encrypted pan. So now in the vault card we are actually storing the encrypted pan and encrypted deck. Okay, now for the generation, it will generate a token. Okay, and the token now will be actually saved in the card repository, and we will share the token. Okay, in the response. So Now the response will be shared to the controller, and controller has the token. Okay, so this was the tokenize. And then we need to understand the uh, charge. Okay, the charge will be actually service. Also, first I will speak about the validation for the year in the DTO request. In the request, we have the expiry year. For the expiry year we have created a custom annotation. Okay, so this is the interface expiry year, and it's been implemented by the expiry year validator, as we know that the we also need to check the card's validity. Okay, so for it we have done like this way. Then give me a minute over here what we are doing. Okay, now what is happening? We have the token. So that token needs to be sent to the card adapter. So we will do the same. Okay, in the card adapter, in the payments gateway adapter, card payment adapter. Now see what's happening. We from the world service, what we are doing in the world service, we are calling the method charge. Okay, we took the token. Okay, we took the token. Then actually we took the token. We took the token and we are calling the charge method over here. So now see what happens in the world service. We are calling the charge method. Okay, the charge method will see now that the token is there or not, or it's not revoked. Then it will get the vault card. Okay, then we will take the vault means encrypted deck. Okay, now we will decrypt it. So we have decrypted the deck. Then with the help of decrypted deck we will decrypt the pan. Okay, so we now have the pan details, expiry details. Then what we are doing, as it's a card method, so we are doing a request, and we are calling the router over here. Okay, this router is for the payment processor. Then it will go to the payment processor. It will be same over there as well. Processor strategy, card payment processor. Okay, so it calls this charge method. We are actually taking the pan. It's if declined, then we will show this, otherwise expired, then we will show this, and it will go to the pending state over there as well, where it is. Arey yaar. So then we have the response for it, and as per the response we will show it. And as the pan bytes should not be, means it should be done null for each time. We should not store it. So here we are doing it. We are initializing it with the 0. Okay, so this also, if the card brand to detect a ban, it starts with 4, then Visa. It's not much. Okay, it's easy to understand. So now as we saw the controller, then payment. So we are done with the card adapter and also the card processor. Okay, the next thing that remains is the bank simulation. Okay, so what we have done, as I told you that we are adding a simulator, the simulator. Okay, for which you first need to understand the here. So as I told you that we don't have a bank, so we are doing what we are doing this simulation purpose, means we are simulating that we will create a scheduler which will actually which will actually poll after 5 seconds and see which requests are in the authorizing state, and if it's in authorizing, it will do the part of means it will then transit it to the success if it is authorized. So this is the settings which we have done. We have added the delay, max delay, min delay, and also the success rate for respect to payment methods. And also what we are doing in the simulator config, we are actually converting the application.properties to the Java code. So what we have done it with the help of configuration properties. Okay, so we are actually getting the data. Okay, so we can also change it. It means if we want to interfere in it, we can interfere. So we are actually converting the YML to the Java code. Then if we move ahead, okay, here we have created the bank callback simulator. We will see the simulate callback in the next video. First we will see this what we are doing. So now we are taking the previous state. As I told you, it will be in the pending state. It will be in the pending state means the request now will be in the authorizing. So what we are doing, we are taking the request which are in the authorizing state. Okay, as I told, the scheduler will run every 5 seconds. It will take the request which are in the authorizing state. Okay, and then the authorizing request will now be transitioned into the success. So we will see the code for it in the next video. Till now, what we have done, we took the global window, means we took the previous request in the last 5 seconds which were in the authorizing state, and now we will actually transit it to the success state. Okay, so we will do the next part in the we will implement its second half in the next video. So stay tuned for next video. Thank you.